Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great. I'm going to take and make a quick and easy dinner tonight, and it's going to be with ingredients all from Family Dollar. So, relatively cheap, it's going to be quick, and it should turn out really, really good. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is we got to cook our ravioli, which I'll bring it up to a boil, and then we'll bring it back down and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Then we'll drain it all off, and then over here I've got the number 8 coming up to temperature. We're going to actually use this one for the meatballs and put the sauce in it. Alright guys, I've got the meatballs in with the spaghetti sauce. So this is going to take, and once it comes up to temperature and I start seeing it bubbling good, I'm going to bring it back down to a simmer and let it just sit there and go while we get this done. Well, I did add some elbow macaroni to it that we also got at the Family Dollar, so that adds a little bit to it, so it's not just ravioli. So we'll let this get up to a boil and then start cooking good, and then we'll combine everything and it should turn out really awesome. Just to give you an update, I went today to get my stitches out. So got the stitches out and the staples out, so they put these little plastic things on there. It should fall off in a couple days, and that's on my elbow too. And so far so good. Everything looks great and it's healing great. Alright guys, you can see it's starting to bubble now, so I'll take it down to low, let it simmer while the rest of the stuff gets cooked. Alright guys, everything's done. I drained off the water, took and poured all the noodles and stuff back in here, and now I'm going to take and add this to the fryer. Alright guys, there she is. Everything's mixed up. The only thing left to do is take and put some cheese on top, because cheese makes everything a little better. Dump all that on there. Missed a couple little pieces. Alright guys, there she is. Hope everybody has a great one.